facing Get out right fucking now! You are facing Get out of my car! I'm facing a fucking Get out! Now! You're facing now! You have no right to scream at me. I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want. Really? Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right. You have the right to scream at me? Get out of my car! You have the right to scream at me. I have asked you to leave my car multiple times. And I am asking you in a very